You have your ActivReporter financial statements designed. Now what? This video demonstrates how to publish your financial reports from these designs. Obviously, if you're in a financial design workbook, you can just use the Excel print options for your design. This is a good method when desiring to see the final results while working on the design or for one-off presentations. If you do not store your financial designs within the ActivReporter database, this is your only available choice. If you do store your financial designs inside the ActivReporter database, then you have additional options. The standard method of publishing your design is to use the right-click menu on the financial design and choose Print Financials. You will see a dialog which gives you the options to either print the design to a hard copy or a PDF rendition in the file system. The Print Financial option will also allow you to produce Excel-based reports. When you output Excel financials, all formulas are replaced by the calculated values, and the workbook is locked for changes. However, the consumers of the financial can do drill down to all underlying detail and drill back to Dynamics GP. The Print Financial option also allows you to use the financial design and iterate over a segment of the chart of accounts to produce multiple financial statements with one instantiation of the program. Another method to produce financials is from the Report entity and choose Account Financial Report. The dialog here is similar to the Print Financials dialog. The Account Financial Report is offered primarily as a facilitator for the Activity Automation Server. Automations are called bots in ActivReporter. You can use a bot to simultaneously produce a group of financials, store them in a library, and email various financials to multiple constituents. Bots are created with scripts and are designed specifically for each company situation. Bots can be scheduled with the Windows Task Scheduler.